Samsung is about to ditch the Galaxy Note series. Upcoming Galaxy S21 will receive S Pen support. Yes, Samsung to give up Galaxy Note smartphones. Galaxy S21 Ultra may get a stylus, which will make Note devices unnecessary. As for flagship smartphones are concerned, Samsung currently offers them in two families, Galaxy S and Galaxy Note. Initially, they differed noticeably in display sizes, but now the key differences between them is support for the proprietary S Pen stylus. By Galaxy Note smartphones, according to latest rumors, Samsung plans to ditch the Galaxy Note series next year and add Galaxy S features to it. This information was shared by the authoritative internet edition Sam Mobile. It is reported that S Pen support will appear already in smartphones of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, which is expected to be released in early 2021. Nevertheless, according to rumors, only the oldest smartphone, the conditional Galaxy S21 Ultra, which will be able to work with the stylus, unless the company changes its naming conventions. Next year, we will see the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and Galaxy S21 Ultra. In addition, according to some reports, some may add S Pen support to its foldable devices, which will significantly expand the list of scenarios for its use. It is also reported that the South Korean company plans to seriously increase the production of AMOLED panels with UTG glass intended for flexible smartphones by the end of this year. According to source, the Galaxy S21 series will include 3 models as the Galaxy S20 line at the same time. In the terms of technical characteristics, the Galaxy S21 does not expect major changes compared to its predecessor. Thus, the Galaxy S21 will not offer anything particularly revolutionary. Rather, it will be just an improved and polished Galaxy S20. The main change will be the single chip system. However, there is still no complete clarity here. According to some leaks, the hardware will be based on the branded 5nm Exynos 1000, while others talk about the Qualcomm Snapdragon 875. According to preliminary information, the flagships of the early 2021, Samsung will not receive the TOF module. Like the Galaxy Note 20, it is also expected to use Qualcomm's new subscreen fingerprint sensor, which will be 7 times larger than the Galaxy S20 fingerprint scanner. The older model Galaxy S21 Ultra will support 60-watt fast charging. The presentation of the Samsung Galaxy S21 line is expected February next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.